Good afternoon.
Okay. Is my voice audible to everyone? Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, good. So good morning, everyone. Take out illustration 12. Practical problem 12. Receipt payment on personal account and nominal account. Okay, is this page visible to everyone? This page?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Good. Just
ma'am.
take out page number 5.60. Very good. Okay. Have you solved question number 10, 11, which I have given you for homework? Girls, tell me. Have you solved?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Any problem? Any problem? Sumaira? You have solved? Here is Sumaira. You have solved, beta? 10th and
Yes.
11th? Okay. Priti Chaudhary, have you solved? Where are you? Just unmute yourself and speak. Have you solved? 10 and 11?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. All have. Yes, girls, tell me. Any problem in question number 10 and 11?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Should I
No,
start
ma'am.
with question number 12? Next topic?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Chalo. Just take out page number 5.60. The topic is payment on personal or nominal account or receipt on personal and nominal account. Any one of you please unmute yourself and give me the examples of nominal account. Any one of you?
Ma'am, like gain or losses.
Good. Very good. Salaries account is a which account? Lavanya.
Ma'am, nominal.
Nominal. Very good. Wages account.
Nominal.
Nominal.
Okay.
Interest
Commission.
received.
Interest received. Then commission received.
Commissions.
Right.
Repairs account. Sales account.
Sales
Sales
account.
account.
Purchase account. Good. Very good. So just look at question number 12. The question says, record the following transactions in the journal of Keshu Bhai. The following are the transactions given. 2015. Feb 1. Paid rupees 30,000 to Narendra Kumar on account. Just tell me which two aspects are involved in this transaction. Paid rupees 30,000 to Narendra Kumar on account. Any two aspects? Yes, Lavanya.
Account. In their account.
Narendra account, very good. Which account? Personal account. Narendra account is a personal account. And second aspect is
Cash
Cash
account.
account.
cash account. Very good. Feb 2. Paid rupees 20,000 to Shivraj for rent. Here. What are the two aspects involved? Paid rupees 20,000 to Shivraj for rent. Rent.
Cash account.
The cash account and rent.
Rent account.
Rent
Cash
account.
account.
Yes, rent. Rent is a nominal account. Okay.
Yes,
Feb
ma'am.
21. Received 11,000 from Nidhi on account. Received 11,000
account.
from cash account and
Nidhi account.
Nidhi's
Nidhi
account.
account.
The
Very
account.
good. Good. Very good. Then Feb 23. Receive rupees 22,000 from Minu as commission. यहाँ पे देखो बेटा, यहाँ पे नॉमिनल अकाउंट्स की हेडिंग थी है. फेब 2 में देखो, यहाँ पे एक नॉमिनल अकाउंट इन्वॉल्व हुआ है. रेंट. रेंट क्या है? पेमेंट है. ओके. फेब 23 को जस्ट टेक आउट द पेंसिल एंड अंडरलाइन. वेट. ये देखो यहाँ पे रेंट पे किया है, दैट मीन्स रेंट इज अ पेमेंट. इन Feb 23 में क्या हुआ? Receive rupees 22,000 from Minu as commission. This is your commission
Account.
received.
Commission account.
Commission receive हुई है यहाँ पे. Wait. Let me highlight this. Look, commission it is received. Rent it is paid. Topic आ गया? Payment and receipt on personal and nominal account. Clear? Now Feb 23 receive rupees 22,000 from Minu as commission. Two aspects are involved. Cash account, हमें पैसा receive हुआ है in the form of cash. Cash is my asset. Increase in asset is
Debit.
debited. Very good. To receipt, क्या नाम है? Commission. Commission received is
Commission account.
my income.
Income.
Then
Credit.
commission is my nominal account. और nominal account का rule क्या होता है? Debit all expenses and losses, credit all income and gain. That's why commission को मैंने क्या किया यहाँ पे? Credit किया. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Let's solve. Take out your notebooks, registers, draw format. Wait, let me show you my screen. Yeah, it is visible?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Right. Topic is payment receipt on personal nominal account. Right. In the books of Keshubhai, which is the owner of the company, right? Journal entries, draw the format, date, particulars, ledger folio, debit and credit. Done? This is for everyone. Only 2 girls are answering me.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
ma'am.
Now let's start. Write the date. 2000 year. देखो year 2015. Year is 2015. Transaction is on Feb 1. Feb 1 को transaction हुई थी. The transaction says paid rupees 30,000 to Narendra Kumar on account. We have paid. Now tell me, Narendra Kumar is the receiver. Receiver है ना ये? Personal account है, receiver है. So debit the receiver. Right here, Narendra Kumar. Right, Narendra Kumar account debit. Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
To
Yes, ma'am.
cash account. हमने cash पे किया है. We have paid cash to cash account. Right, narration. Being, we start the narration by being or for. Being हम ज्यादा लिखते हैं. Being cash paid, right? Being cash paid on account. Yeah, debit side amount is 30,000 and credit side amount is 30,000. First transaction is clear.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Now
ma'am.
let's move to the second transaction. Yeah, second transaction. Chalo. Here is Feb 2. Paid rupees 20,000 to Shivraj for rent. Rent is my nominal account. मैंने rent pay किया है. Rent is my expense. So debit all expenses and losses. This is for the nominal account. Rule for the nominal account. Right here, rent account debit to
Cash account.
cash account. Very good. To cash account. Amount is 20,000 and 20,000. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Now next
Yes, ma'am.
narration. Being
Rent paid.
rent paid in cash. ठीक है बेटा?
Yes, ma'am.
चलो. Feb 21. Transaction is on Feb 21. Received rupees 11,000 from Nidhi on account. We have received the money, cash. Increase in asset is debited. Debit what comes in as per rule, real account rule, traditional approach. Cash account debit to
Nidhi.
Nidhi account. Nidhi is personal account, right? Debit the receiver, credit the giver. Nidhi is a personal account. तो personal account का जो rule लगाया हमने, credit the giver. Giver is Nidhi. Amount is 11,000 and 11,000. Right narration? Being cash received, right? Being cash received on account. Okay? Account short form. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Now Feb 23. Received rupees 22,000 from Minu as commission. We have received rupees 22,000 in the form of commission. That means cash we have received. So cash account debit to commission account. Yes. Commission account. Amount is rupees 22,000 and 22,000. Right narration? Being commission received in cash. Commission received in cash. Understood this question?
Yes, ma'am.
All of you? Because you're present in the class, Anandi, Anushi, Diksha, Gunkeen, Harpreet, Sukhmani, Vanshika, Avneet. It is clear?
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Are you sure? Are you sure? Okay,
Yes,
let's move to the next question. Question number 13. Journalize the following transactions in the books of Ashish. Now tell me the aspects involved. 2015, March 4. Ashish started business with cash, rupees 1 lakh. Two aspects involved. Who will tell me?
Cash account
Cash
debited to capital
Yes.
account credited.
Very good. Then, yes, we don't say credited. We only say cash account debit to capital account. It is understood. अगर हमने टू लगाया है, that means वो credit हुआ है. Okay, Sumaira?
Yes, ma'am.
ठीक है. चलो आगे बेटा. March 3. Just tell me the aspects involved. Debit credit छोड़ो. आगे देखो. Rent of the proprietor, rent of the residence of proprietor paid. जो proprietor का जो घर है, residence है, उसका rent pay किया है from the capital of the firm. What is this? Personal pay. Personal involvement है यहाँ पे. Personally pay किया है. अपने expenses pay किए हैं from the business capital. What is involved here? Which aspect is involved here? One is cash, obviously. Second is cash is obviously involved. Second is
Rent account.
no, why rent? Just look at the
Drawings.
transaction. Drawings. Very good. Who said rent? Lavanya, you said? Who said rent? Listen to me. Rent of the residence of the proprietor. It is understood from the line कि जो residence है, घर है, property का जो rent pay किया है proprietor का, वो कहाँ से pay किया है? Capital में से pay किया है. Residence of the proprietor is not the property of the business. ये उसकी personal property है. ठीक है? Understood? And whenever the amount withdrawn by the proprietor for his personal use from the business property, from the business capital, it is termed as drawings. Second, March 3rd में आपको दो aspects involved हैं. That is drawings and cash. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Now the third one, March 5th, paid rupees 6,000 to Yogendra for commission. Now tell me the two aspects involved. Commission account and
Cash.
to cash account. Very good. Just now we have done this type of transaction. Commission and cash.
Cash.
Then very good. Then March 9. Receive rupees 12,000 from Arvind on account. We have received rupees 12,000 from Arvind.
Account
Tell me the
Cash account.
Cash
Arvind
account.
account.
Arvind account.
very good. Two aspects are involved. कौन से हैं? Cash and
Cash
Arvind है.
and Arvind account.
Very good. Then March 11. The transaction on March 11 says received rupees 7,000 from Kiran for interest.
Cash
7,000
account.
ki-
Interest account. Kiran account.
Interest account.
No, cash account to
Interest account.
Interest
Very
account.
good.
Account.
Very good. Just tell me this two aspects involved. Debit credit मत करो, वो मैं समझाऊंगी आपको. आगे देखो. March 13. Additional capital introduced in the business was rupees 50,000. Additional
Cash
capital
account to
introduced.
Cash
capital.
account. Capital
Yes,
account.
same transaction, same entry as in accounting equation. Good. Now March 19. Withdraw rupees 11,000 from the business for personal use. What this
Drawings
term
account
known
to
as?
cash
Drawings
account.
account. Cash account.
Very good. Drawings account and cash accounts are
Cash account.
involved. Then March 21. Pay to Gopal on account. 9,000.
Account.
Cash
Gopal to
account
cash.
and Gopal
Account and
account.
Gopal's account.
Good, good. Two aspects are involved, Gopal and cash. Now draw the format. Let's start doing it. Chalo. Okay. Right here. In the books of solution number 13. Right. In the books of Ashish Limited. No, right. Journal entries. Draw the format. Date. Particulars.
Ledger folio.
Ledger folio. Very good. Then debit and
Debit and credit.
Credit.
very good. Draw the format. Okay. Format also carries marks better. So draw neat and clean format. I have drawn with a pen, but you have to draw these lines with the pencils. Understood? Now let's
Yes.
start. Right here 2015. First transaction is March 1. That is Ashish started business with cash 1 lakh. So the transaction is entry होगी इसकी cash account
Cash
debit
account debit
Debit to
to capital account.
capital account.
very good to capital account. Amount is
1 lakh.
1 lakh and 1 lakh. ठीक है? चलो आ जाओ. Right narration. Being business started with cash. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Now next entry March 3. It is March 4. March 3. Rent of the residence of proprietor paid. Rent of the proprietor's residence paid. Personal amount pay kiye. That is drawings account, right? Entry will be drawings account debit. Drawings में expense है क्योंकि yes drawings account debit to
Cash account.
cash involved है. Very good to cash account. Amount कितनी बेटे यहाँ पे? Amount is 10,000
10,000.
and 10,000.
10,000.
10,000 for debit, 10,000 for credit.
Credit.
Right narration. Being cash withdrawn for personal use. Okay, personal
Yes.
use. Just wait for a while. Let me change the page and draw the format. Wait for a while. Okay. Chalo. Next is March
5.
5th March. Paid rupees 6,000 to Yogendra for commission. Here a nominal account is involved. Yes. देखो यहाँ पे बेटा commission account debit. Wait. Yes. Yeah. Commission account
Debit to cash account.
debit to cash account. Amount is 6,000 and right here.
6,000.
Debit side 6,000 and credit side 6,000.
6,000.
Right narration. Being commission paid
Paid.
right in cash. Okay, for your
Yogendra.
understanding. In cash to Yogendra. No problem. Yogendra. ठीक है? आ जाओ. March 5. Then March 9.
Cash account to
Received Wait, let me read the transaction. Wait, beta. March 9, received rupees 12,000 from Arvind on account. We have received the amount. That means cash received हुआ है. Increase in asset is debited. Cash is our asset. So cash account debit to
Arvind account.
Arvind account. Credit the giver. Chalo, Arvind account. Amount is 12,000 and 12,000. It is clear to everyone, right? Narration being cash received from Arvind. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Everyone?
Yes,
Everyone?
ma'am.
Wait. Okay, Anush. Good. Next transaction is March 11. Transaction on March 11 says received rupees 7,000 from Kiran for interest. March 11. Interest received account is a
Cash account to interest account.
हाँ पहले मुझे बताओ जरा interest received is our nominal account, right? Under nominal account is there our gain. हमारा gain है ये. तो debit all expenses and losses, credit all income and gains. That means हमें cash receive हुआ है. Entry will be cash account debit to interest received account. Understood, beta? Write the amount.
Yes, ma'am.
7,000 and 7,000. 7,000 for debit, 7,000 for credit. ये debit है आपका, ये credit है आपका. चलो लिखो उसकी narration. Being interest received in cash. It is clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, next transaction, March 13. Additional capital introduced in the business, rupees 50,000. Additional capital is brought in by the proprietor Ashish. The entry will be, who will
Cash
speak?
account.
Yes,
account.
cash account.
Debit to capital account.
Very good. Cash account debit to capital account. The amount is
50,000.
50,000 for debit and 50,000 for credit. Now write narration. Narration also carries marks, beta. Being additional capital introduced in the business, and that too in cash. Business in cash. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Now
Yes,
March.
ma'am.
Good. Now March 19. Withdrew
Drawing
cash
a
rupees.
account.
Wait, Samara. Let me read. Withdrew cash rupees 11,000 from the business for personal use. जब भी word आता है personal use, we have to take it into mind that personal use stands for drawings. So entry will be
Drawings
account.
debit to cash account.
yes, drawings account debit to cash
Cash.
account. Very good, very nice. Amount is 11,000 and 11,000. Right narration. Right narration. Being amount या फिर cash withdrawn for personal use. Understood?
Yes,
Last
ma'am.
transaction is March 21. Pay to Gopal on account. Entry will be
Gopal
pay to
account.
Gopal.
Cash account.
Yes,
Gopal's account debit
very
to
good.
cash.
Gopal account. Very good, very good. Correct entry आपकी. Gopal account debit to cash account. Okay. Yes, it is. Entry narration is being cash paid
to Gopal.
to Gopal. Cash paid to Gopal. Correct. Write the amount. The amount is 9,000 for debit and 9,000 for credit. Understood?
Yes,
Transaction
ma'am.
is clear to everyone.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Question is clear to everyone. Just tell me, Harpreet,
Yes, ma'am.
Anandi,
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
are you sure? Any
Yes,
doubt?
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Okay. Now do one thing. If you're having book, just take out page number. Okay. Just take out follow problem 5. Follow problem 5. All of you take it out. Follow problem 5. Illustration 5. The solution for illustration 5 is already given. So we will solve follow problem 5. Just take out.
Okay, ma'am.
The question is Bilawal started. Bilawal start. Look, got it? This question?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. All are having the book.
Yes, ma'am.
Chalo. Let's generalize the following transaction. Bilawal started business with cash. You will tell me the correct general entries for the same. Yes. Bilawal started business with cash rupees 4 lakh. Entry is
Cash account to
Cash
capital
account
account.
debit to capital account.
very good. Cash account debit to capital account. Now the next transaction. Transaction on Feb 4. Rent of the residence of the proprietor paid from business. The entry will be
Drawings account to cash account.
debit to cash account.
yes. Drawings account debit to
Cash account.
cash account. Oh,
Yes.
good. Now Feb 5. Further cash means the additional capital, additional amount introduced in the business. क्या question है ये?
Cash
Further
account
cash.
debit to
हाँ, wait. Lavanya, wait. Further cash introduced by Bilawal into the business. This is the additional capital introduced, involved in the business. Entry will be
Cash
Entry will
account
be
to capital account.
very good.
Cash
Cash
account to
account debit to
account.
capital account. Very nice. Very good. Good. Now next is here Feb 9. Cash withdrawn by proprietor for personal use.
Drawings account debit
Drawing
to
account
cash account.
debit to cash account.
Very good. Drawings account debit to cash account. Now Feb 14. Goods withdrawn by proprietor by personal use.
Drawing
Drawings
account debit to goods
account
account.
मैंने कल क्या बताया था जहां पे भी गुड्स का नाम आता
Purchase
है हम
account.
परचेज उसको
Purchase
yes very
account.
good. Who said purchase account? Who said?
Purchase account.
Who said?
Ma'am,
Sukhmani,
Sukhmani.
you? Very good,
Yes,
Sukhmani.
ma'am.
Very nice. Keep it up. Very good. So goods
Yes,
withdrawn by proprietor for personal use. The entry will be drawings account debit to purchase account. Understood? Speak.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. Next is Feb 18. Income tax paid by Bilawal. Income tax. कौन सा टैक्स होता है? Income tax. Income tax. It is personal or non-personal?
Ma'am, personal.
हम personal.
पर्सनल है. इनकम टैक्स किस पे पर्सनल टैक्स होता है ये जो खुद की इनकम होती है हम उस पे टैक्स पे करते हैं. सो इनकम टैक्स पर्सनल है. पर्सनल अमाउंट इज बीइंग पेड फ्रॉम द बिजनेस कैपिटल. तो क्या टर्म है ये? विच टर्म इज दिस?
Drawings.
Drawings. Very nice. Very good, Lavanya. So drawings account debit to
Cash
cash
account.
account. Very good. Cash account. The entry for Feb 18 will be drawings account debit to cash account.
Cash account.
Now, very good. Now, Feb 24. Personal cash deposited into bank account. Again, two aspects are involved. Bank account and capital account.
Drawing.
Capital account.
No. Personal cash बेटा deposit किया है. Just recall the transaction. Machinery purchase from the personal use from the business. Entry क्या लिखी थी हमने? Machinery account debit to capital account.
Capital.
In this case, personal cash deposited into business bank account. That means bank account हमारा increase हुआ, which is our asset, and capital again it is increased, and capital is our liability. So increase in asset is debited. That means bank account debit to capital account.
Capital account.
Capital में मेरा increase हुआ है. So as per rule, increase in capital is credited. इस transaction की entry होगी बेटा bank account debit to capital account. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Any doubt?
No, ma'am.
No,
Are you
ma'am.
sure? To solve this
Yes,
kind of
yes,
questions,
ma'am.
all questions solve karo. After this class, I will send you this kind of questions on the Google Classroom. Just solve it. And if you have any doubt, just ask me. Okay, message me or call me personally. Okay. Any
Okay,
doubt in
ma'am.
today's class, beta? Any doubt?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Okay, so practice well. I have sent you some questions on the Google Classroom also regarding accounting equations. Solve it, tally it. Okay, after every equation, usko add karo. Just see to it, both the sides are equal. Assets is equal to liabilities plus capital equal aa rahe ki nahi aa rahe. If it is equal, that means your answer is absolutely correct. Okay. Any doubt? I'm asking you again. Any doubt?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Okay, so after this
Ma'am.
class, I will be sending you a feed. Okay, thank you so much, beta. After this class, I will be sending you the feedback form from today's class. Write my full name, Priti Bola, and submit it after the class. Understood?
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
Ma'am.
Okay, beta. Okay, all of you leave turn by turn. I am ending the class. God bless you all.